Just for us for waiting, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Excellency, welcome to the construction of Abuja Road. As you can see, Excellency, starting from channel 00 down to last channel, the length is 13.125 kilometers. And a lot of feelings is going on right now. And this is where the stage is in the activity.
Because you see he's jumping. So sir, if I may, we started first of all to make the road motorable. The road wasn't motorable before, so we started filling all the potholes and to make the road motorable and safe for our equipment and workers, because it wasn't safe. We are still on it in a couple of days when we finish the preparation and the detailed survey. We continue with the construction itself.
While you come on here the culverts.
The next one, not this one here. The next one, the culvert actually at the stage of collapse, and we have about a 10 to 12 meter excavation to remove it. And instead of one cell culvert, we are going to install 2 cell culverts to have extra to practically to be able to handle all the water that will come, because it is very deep. Yes, we have a solar street light all along. I'd say officially 12 months, unofficially we are going to cut it to your satisfaction, sir. We are going to do our best. Of course, we are very grateful to be given the opportunity, and we will not disappoint. We are fully committed.